Surrounded by perfectly manicured landscapes and pastures, this exceptional gentleman's ranch is an outdoor lover's dream. Situated in lovely Estacada, this expansive and private property makes it easy to vacation where you live. The grand gated entry invites you to explore this remarkable estate designed for the best in Northwest living, with gorgeous grounds for relaxing and entertaining. Discover an outdoor oasis with a custom koi pond and calming waterfall just off the deck. Tranquil views of pastures, play areas for the kids, a caretaker's quarters, and huge garages for your car collection with an abundance of storage, a quintessential red barn, expansive grounds for large or small gatherings, and quiet pathways to explore. But this is just the beginning. Head to the lower end of the property and follow the cascading creek to your own private custom-made lake stocked with trout. Spend the day fishing, swimming, or taking in the sun on the inviting sandy beach. An adorable lake cabana with a kitchenette and bathroom is ready for your guests. The main house, nicely updated in the early 2000s, features a traditional floor plan with high ceilings and gracious living spaces for entertaining. The well-laid-out floor plan includes easy access to the gorgeous grounds that await you. The gourmet kitchen has granite counters, rich cherry cabinetry, and a pantry, all overlooking the pond and waterfall. Upstairs, the soothing sounds of the waterfall can also be heard from the vaulted primary suite. It's complete with an elegant bath, and a large walk-in closet. Another bedroom has access to a secret room, perfect for any number of uses. Four separate pastures with 2 Texas Longhorns are ready for your livestock. From the sport court, head to the caretaker's quarters, above the expansive 5-bay storage building with room for all of your toys. You'll find a well-appointed living space with a wood stove, a full kitchen, a bathroom, and a bedroom. You'll be impressed with the 3-car garage with extra storage and an even more impressive 8-car garage for the car enthusiast. It includes an expansive shop with a wood-burning stove and walls of cabinetry. The barn includes 3-horse stalls and a tack room. The home and buildings have been upgraded with fiber optic high-speed internet and have high-end security. A perfect family retreat and an inspiring gentleman's ranch. Nothing has been overlooked at this exceptional property, and it's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5500. 5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.